This is why you need the SoftPro Eco Well Plus Iron Filter Package in your life. Imagine turning on your tap and getting crystal clear, clean, and soft water every time. Sounds amazing, right? The SoftPro Eco Well Plus Iron Filter Package is your low-cost answer to well water woes. First, your water runs through a chemical-free AIO iron filter. It removes high amounts of iron, sulfur, manganese, and balances the pH, so your water isn't corrosive anymore. Next, the SoftPro Eco Water Softener takes over, eliminating any remaining hard water minerals and iron. The result? Crystal clear, clean, and soft water that makes your dishes shine, your skin feel smoother, and your hair softer. Not only does this all-in-one solution protect your family, but it also saves you money on bottled water. Say goodbye to hard, nasty, smelly water and hello to a healthier home. Order your SoftPro Eco Well Plus Iron Filter Package today and start enjoying clean water. You deserve it.